Is your camera not working in Google Meet? Whether other participants can't see you, your webcam shows a black screen, or Google Meet says it can't access your camera, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet camera not working in 2026. First, make sure your webcam is properly connected if you're using an external camera. If you're using a laptop, check that the built-in camera isn't disabled by a physical switch or keyboard shortcut. Next, verify that Google Meet has permission to use your camera. Click the camera icon in your browser's address bar or check your device's privacy settings to make sure camera access is enabled. If you have more than one camera connected, open the Google Meet settings and choose the correct camera from the video options. Selecting the wrong device can result in a blank or unavailable video feed. Now close any applications that might already be using your webcam, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or your camera app. Most webcams can only be used by one application at a time. If the camera still isn't working, update your web browser to the latest version, then restart your computer or mobile device. This often resolves temporary software or driver issues. Finally, reopen Google Meet and test your camera before joining the meeting. If the issue continues, try another supported browser or update your webcam drivers if you're using Windows. And that's how to fix Google Meet camera not working in 2026. In most cases, checking permissions, selecting the correct camera, closing conflicting apps, and updating your browser will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.